Today I'm going to show you how to clean up an old rusty two-stroke pipe. This is off of a KX100. It'll work on honestly any of them. So the things you're going to need, probably going to want a paint stripper. I just picked this up from I think Walmart or Lowe's. I don't remember. It's been a while. You're also going to want some kind of grinder. I mean, I guess you could use Scotch-Brite, but it's just going to take longer. Whether that's a drill with a wire wheel or an angle grinder with a wire wheel, I'm going to be using a bench grinder. It's basically all you need. So to get started, I'm going to use this, and I'm just going to coat the whole pipe, just trying to get the paint off. Let's see what I can do real quick. Stuff's like really thick. If it gets on my bench, I guess I'll just wipe it up. All this stuff's going to be doing is getting the paint off. The rust and stuff will mainly be coming off with the grinder. But who knows, this might help a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes. Alright, I came back out here after 30 minutes, and part of it did flake up, so I went ahead and scratched it, but it's not enough, so I'm going to just apply another coat. This time probably just thicker. Ow, that hurt. And then hope that does it. Why aren't you coming off? Thank you. I'm just going to kind of pour it on there this time. Alright, I'm gonna wait another 30 minutes. Alright, I'm back out here after another 30 minutes. It did a little bit more, but I'm just gonna go ahead and call it because I'm just gonna grind it all off. And I don't feel like waiting anymore. This tastes terrible. Might grind some and then come back and maybe do it again later. Just depends. I need a rag. There's a couple. Alright, got my bench grinder out. So now we're gonna turn it on, and it's broke. So I gotta like bump start it or jump start it or whatever. See, gotta get it going. Safety glasses on for protection, and we'll get right to it. Now that I got what I could, I'm gonna go back over it with a steel brush, try to get anything that I missed, which there was a good bit of stuff, but it is coming right off. Probably won't get it as good as the grinder, but it'll still be a lot better than it was. Let me see something. I might have some wheels that I had before. Yeah, there we go. Let me run inside real quick. Alright, I forgot I had wire brushes and drills, so Just sprayed some Simple Green on it to get any of the leftover residue off. And there you have it. There's the new pipe. I'll put them up side by side. And, you know, I think it turned out a lot better than it was. You know, the longer you spend on it, the better it'll turn out, but I think that's good for me.